Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to turn off closed captioning on ESPN Plus. Let's begin. First, open the ESPN Plus app on your smart TV or streaming device. Start playing the video or live stream you want to watch. While the content is playing, use your remote to bring up the playback controls. This is typically done by pressing the down arrow or options button on your remote. Once the playback controls are visible, navigate to the subtitles or closed captions menu. Look for the icon that represents subtitles or captions. This may appear as a text or speech bubble symbol. Select this icon and choose the option to turn off or disable the subtitles. This action will remove the captions from your screen, allowing you to view the content without any on-screen text. If you are using a mobile device, the process is similar. Open the ESPN Plus app, start playing your desired content, then access the closed captions or subtitles menu from the playback controls. Select the option to turn them off. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.